Good morning!
Morning!
Yeah.
Morning, guys!
Morning.
Nandito tayo sa legendary hi-fi building ng
Oy.
CSB,
Ayun.
College of St. Benilde.
Yes.
Kasama natin ngayon, syempre, ang mga wild boys ng bisikleta.
Yes.
Mon!
Mon, hello.
Hey!
Nongski,
Wally!
Dondi,
Dondi.
and
Chester.
yeah, may Chester.
And, syempre,
And our special guest.
for this week, Nolly!
Nolly 360!
Yo.
Yun, yeah.
You can call me many names. I have given you my card. I'm officially known as Kakwe.
Yeah.
Right? That's why
Kakwe.
it's Kak.
Kak.
Right? But
And
my
Nolly.
mom gave me Nolly as in Nollie as in the nose Ollie.
Okay.
Nolly, no?
Oo, nung grade 1 ako, pinalitan ng nanay ko yung pangalan kong Hapon.
Okay.
So pag-graduate ko ng school, pag-apply ko ng passport, surprise, you're Kakwe. Hi, ne. So,
Ayos ka.
yung persona ko ngayon, so hapon na lang ako, di ba? The old man, Oji-san. Watch out for my
Pero
flip-top
ano ka?
persona soon.
Half and half.
Maybe I'm Yakuza.
Yun.
Ano
Yeah, he is Takusa.
Walang ano eh. Walang,
Yakuza.
walang umaga, walang gabi. walang hapon.
wala.
Oo.
So, nagtataka kayo, indoors tayo ngayon. This is our first indoor telecast ng first outdoor.
In the house.
First
Yes.
outdoor podcast.
Very
Nasa
good.
loob tayo
Very
dito
well
sa
said.
mga
Very well said.
venues or tawag din workshop buildings.
Yes, our venue sponsor for today, Benilde Hi-Fi.
So,
Okay.
thank you, Hi-Fi, sa pag-sponsor ng lugar. Tingin ko, ito nang magiging... Makikita nyo kami rito.
Madalas.
Madalas. Medyo magiging
Oo.
madalas kami rito.
Kasi I
Let's
think
go.
this particular podcast is the parang intro to the future na. Well, si Noel sa
One of
mag-explain
our
yan.
futures.
Yes.
One of our...
So, again, Kuya Knowles, what is a Benilde Hi-Fi?
Sino yung mga nag-Benilde dito? Taas ang kamay.
Yay.
Oh, may dalawang taga-Benilde. Explain nyo muna kung ano yung Benilde bago ko explain yung Hi-Fi.
Okay. Hindi. Ano
Ano
yun?
yung story nyo sa Benilde?
Ano ako eh, CDD ako nun.
CDD rin ako.
Career Development
Oh,
Program.
shout out sa
Pero
coordinator
SOD,
nyo.
son of the boss.
Oo, ano yan?
Sino coordinator
Mr.
niyo?
Inuturan pa yung...
Mr.
Inuturan pa nun, di
God
ba?
rest his
Personal
soul.
design.
Di
Wala na.
niluturan.
Wala na si
Oo
Dean.
eh. Oo.
Saka si Mr. Lou, if you know,
Akala-
may mga
Mr. Lou.
history si Mr. Lou.
I'm working today. It's a Sunday. I'm working. This is Benilde. Okay. Sige.
Shout out to Miss Ayat Austria, my favorite teacher of all time.
Yes.
Shout out sa iyo, ma'am.
And Attorney Buted, my favorite
Attorney
teacher.
Jor Buted.
My favorite teacher sa
teka
Laws
lang,
and
si Jor
Obligation.
ba si daddy niya?
Lalaki.
Dalawa sila eh.
Lalaki na ano eh.
Matanda ang bata?
Bata.
Oh, si Jor.
Yes.
Oo.
I really love his Laws and Obligation and
yes.
contract.
Oo.
Pare, ang dahil ko natutunan doon.
Obligol.
Shout out. Mag-reunion po tayo. Benilde alumni. Shout out
Yeah.
sa...
Shout out kay
Sila
Katrina
Sir
Tuason.
Erickson, Benilde alumni. You got all the Benilde people here coming home.
She,
And, shout out din kay Simply Bells para sa empanada natin.
Sobrang sarap, no? Sobrang sarap ang empanada.
Kaya lang, shout out ko yung isang classmate ko, si Katrina Tuason.
Oh,
Siya yung
Lang naman.
nag-influence sa akin maging blondie nung college.
oy.
Yan.
Then kay Sir Chris tsaka sa wife niya, si Madam Pen Pen.
Yun.
Watching yan.
Wow. Malamang desarapin.
Oh, 10-10 siya. Batuten, ano?
Lahat na lang eh.
Okay mga tito.
Wild Boys!
Bad Boys Podcast.
Yun! Kanoli!
Yo! Nols.
Nos!
Yun.
Start tayo sa mga usual questions natin.
Shout out sa best friend nating si Dean Marie Castro, ang current shrimp. And of course, the former shrimp boss, si Boss Angelo Lacson, ang vice president ng academics ngayon. So you have the shrimp. Yo! Okay, so this is the shrimp era. Shout out to your profs there. Oh, since I also have a page. It's called Eat Stuffed, right? I curate the food experiences
So,
around it.
Eat staff.
ilagay natin dito.
Oh,
Yan, sa
Eat
ilalim
Stuffed.
ng lamesa.
Oh,
Ilalim ng lamesa.
alam na nila yun dito. Actually, meron akong app eh. You can access it right now if you wanna check it out.
Lagay mo yung page, ilalagay
Eat
natin sa
Stuffed.
ilalim.
Yan lang, Eat Stuffed.
EATS.
EATS, kain tough. Kasi alam mo naman natin, napakahirap dito
It's
maghanap ng
Stop.
I mean, basically, a lot of things. We
Double-
love and hate Taft. I love and I hate Taft.
Double meaning.
It's my Trumpino impersonation. I'm also launching it on this podcast.
Yan.
It's Taft. I'm the mayor of Taft. I'm looking for all the
Mayor ng Taft,
curatable. Shout out sa iyo, your Pinas. Sorry. That's the gong, sorry. Okay, so yung Eats Taft, that's my food. Basically, I put all the food things around the area in an Excel sa phone ko, tapos ginaganon ko siya, ini-scroll ko. Tapos kung tumama yung kamay ko, yun na yun, doon ako kakain. Nagsawa ako, since sa trabaho ko sa innovation, di ba? Gumawa ako ng web app.
Yun.
O pwede nyo nang gamitin ngayon actually, yung Eat Stuff. No? Pindutin mo yan.
From here,
It's zero ads. It's 100% love.
Alright.
Because we love Taft.
Yun.
Right?
So kita mo, from here,
We
pwede
want
mo
to
nang
help the
puntahan. No?
clueless young people, the Gen Zs and the Alphas,
Kung paano
navigate
mapupuntahan, no?
Taft life.
Correct.
Yun. Actually, meron pang isa. It's Taft life.
Tough life.
Yun. Yun yung lifestyle natin.
So isa lang to sa mga ventures mo, Knowles.
Adventures. Marami tayong adventures and misadventures.
Ano mga main pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon dito sa
Dito,
hi-fi?
so I'm the community management unit head. Hindi ko lang linagay dyan kasi masyadong mahaba and I hate titles.
Lagay natin dito.
Basically, I'm just the bartender. I'm the gatekeeper. I'm the adult supervision for the kids who are having fun.
Yeah.
While feeling like a 15-year-old myself. Kung meron kayong event, sa akin dadaan lahat. Okay?
Lalagay
yun lang
namin
naman.
yung mga links dito.
Ako
kung
yung
saan kayo
gatekeeper ng
makakontakin.
coolness dito. Okay? If it's not cool, if not serving the communities, not serving the country,
Pass.
pass. It's a hard pass. It's a hard pass. I'm sorry. It's a hard pass. Like building a wall. Okay, game. Next.
So
Saan na tayo?
itong building na to is a venue for learning, recreation, tsaka events sa taas, ano?
This is not a classroom.
Hindi
This is
classroom.
real world.
Ayun.
Okay?
Oo.
Because at Pinild, we are real world ready. Pinild, like no other.
Ayun, no? Oh, di ba?
On cue tayo. Chancellor Bren,
Oo.
shout out.
Ano talaga? Like
Brother
no
Dodo.
Oo.
Like no other talaga binil. Like no
Yeah.
Oh, di ba? Creative
Oo,
school.
Binil Boys nga pala itong
Nag-aaral
mga
ng
to.
mga anak nila sa Binild.
Promote yung
Ito
mga
yun
Binild boys.
They're drinking the Binild Kool-Aid.
Ah, di pala natanong, di ba? Kaya nandito si Knowles. Siklista rin yan. Di ba tayo
Hindi
mag-picture
naman
ng
halata.
siklista eh.
Okay.
Oo eh.
Will flash siya man.
Paano ka nag-start mag-biking?
Shakedown 1979.
Kaka-age,
Tryon
no?
was just 1 year old. Okay, so my dad bought us a Schwinn bike, hindi sa Schwinn. Schwinn Kalamba lang yun eh. Okay. We were living in Los Baños, Laguna at that time, transplanted from Mindanao because of the war. My parents decided to study here to take up their masterals and doctorals. And they bought their kids, their growing brood, there's 6 kids, 1 bike. It's 6 kids and 1 bike. It's 6 kids and 1 bike. Di naman kami sabay-sabay but 2 at a time. Okay?
Angkas.
That's how you learn the virtual value of sharing.
Tama.
Right? At ako yung taga-pedal ng kuya kong kabatch ninong. Kuya nung.
Yun. Tuking.
Kutsa, labasan ng edad ah.
Yun, kabatch no.
55.
15 ako eh. He's 5 years my senior, so he was 20.
Yeah.
He's 20 now.
Yan, okay.
Right?
Okay.
Tapos, kayong dalawang kuya natin, ano?
Ah, ito kuya ko.
Pag ganun ba? Pag ganun ba yung ano? Pag ganun ba? Dapat swap tayo.
Oh, tama! Tama yung kaso!
Ito youngest eh. Hindi, pero mas matanda ako sa'yo. So,
Okay.
Okay, pero
labasan ng edad eh.
kung sa sa heart age, the year was 1979. My dad brought us a bicycle. And I became the de facto mechanic because I was too small. Okay? So i-adjust ko yung upuan, itatakas ko. So natuto ko mag-ayos ng mga hubs. Grade 1 pa lang ako. Okay?
Para.
Kailangan kong i-hack yung bisikleta, masyado siyang matangkad para sa akin.
eh,
Yung
kuya
manubela pa naman, banana. So marunong na akong gumawa ng mga santur na preno. Taiwan pa nun. Di ba?
Tama.
Tapos wala kang mabibilang ng pyesa. Tapos yung preno sa likod, yung disc. Okay?
Yung binubusan ng Pepsi para umingay.
So yung upuan namin, yung upuan, yung shiny. It's like a Manila play bike type.
Yung
Banana
glitter. Yun.
It's got the gobs of glitter.
Two-tone.
On the stage,
Tutong.
Ano yan?
Susong, yeah?
Ay, tutong.
Stock
Puti yung
na-
tabi.
Yeah.
Puti yung tabi.
Oo, puti yung tabi.
Ay.
Stock ng ano.
Oo.
Yun.
Diba, parang may lamination na plastic.
Tapos, yung sa likod, yung bar, parang yung sa Torotot.
Oo.
Pang
Just
trombone.
making it fun because we're talking about ska. Right? Two-town culture.
Ano to? Napipicture ko yung bike mo. It's a Schwinn crate bike. Tapos naka-banana seat.
Actually, I have a
Naka-butterfly
PowerPoint if you want. I
handle.
can PowerPoint it there.
Yun.
Yun, di ba?
Sabi sa'yo, handa ako dito eh. Oh. So pag-usapan natin tong bisikleta na to, I had this until 1984 when I decided to buy my own. My parents supported me, so I had 50 pesos savings.
Okay.
Kaya
Ganun
ng
ang
mga
bike
bike
mo,
mo.
araw,
84, nagkaroon ka ng first bike mo.
So
Ano yung first bike mo?
it was a Redline knockoff, of course. Right.
BMX. BMX na.
The year was 1984. That was ET, yo.
Nga, kung may Gen Z, Gen X,
Yun,
tayo
yun,
Gen
yun,
BMX.
ngayon. Wala kayong Stranger Things kung walang 1984.
Correct.
See?
Tama.
Yun! Sabi ko na.
Alright, we're talking about innovation here, right?
Yan.
Shout out pala sa nag-approve nito sa procurement. Thank you for our 65-inch LCD. Shout out to the proc people. Okay.
So, eto yung first bike mo.
Hindi naman yan mismo,
Butterfly,
pero...
Pero ganyan.
Butterfly! Shout out nga pala, Rames. See you on Feb 6 at We're Jamming 70s Bistro.
Yun.
The Johnny Midnight, my band after 27 years. Anyway, so the butterfly bars. Let's look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. It's
Schwinn
protruding.
Stingray.
I had to cut off and drill a hole so I can the 7-year-old me can abot. I'm just patong jewels dyan eh.
Patong jewels eh. Oo.
So the reason why I
Tapos?
bike is also to bond with my brother. I miss you, Kuya Ed. He's still alive, but I want to get him into cycling. Kasi siya yung nagmamanubela, ako yung nagpipidal. Talk about child labor.
Oo.
You know,
Pero ganun talagang designation ng bunso eh. Laging
Kasing
ganun eh.
taga-pedal.
ako yung utosan. Kasi may bike ka, ikaw yung utosan. So tinatakas ko to. Okay? Kasi ayaw ko maghugas para sa family of 8, including my lolo, lola.
Doon nagsimula yung kanyang Japanese utosan.
Otosan.
Otosan.
Nasaan na yung bike na yun? Wala na.
Wala na nangyari. Na-chop-chop na to.
Yun lang.
So maybe the year was 1984, so I started saving up. I was grade 4 when this happened.
Yan na.
Even the color?
Ish, close. Yeah, yung gulong.
Cashimax
Pero hindi ako
ano to.
nakakaya,
Oh.
siyempre.
Tingnan mo yung stem pare, di ba? Yan ang stem.
Oh,
yan.
GT stems.
Parang
Diba?
meron pa yata akong ganyan saddle.
Di ba? Mukhang
Plastic yan eh.
mukhang
Kulma.
ET, di ba? Mukhang ET yung stem.
Oo.
Stranger
Yo!
Things.
Kung hindi ganyan
Things
yung
ang dating.
brand.
It is.
Brown tsaka gray.
And you remember when the Pepsi bike came
Haro.
out? Yo, that was the deal, yo. Shout out sa'yo, Joel Claudio, with the Pepsi bike. He stole my girl. Sinakay niya doon sa kanyang Pepsi bike.
Wala na.
Peace, brother. So, I didn't have the Pepsi bike. There was this rich kid. It was probably you kids, you know, because I was just, we were poor, but not dirt poor, okay? So, my parents were teachers, right? Akala nila
Wala
mayaman
pa.
kami kasi nag-i-English sa bahay. Pero hindi nila alam, alak ka lang na mestro.
Uy, wag mo nilalang yun.
Alam yun.
Wag mo nilalang yun.
Napaka-humble, okay?
Yes, ano yan.
Shout out, ang apelido ko po ay Araral. Aral ng aral. Pinanganak ako sa school. Lumaki ako sa mga schools. At ang pangalan ng dalawang tatay ko pati kuya ko, Edukasyon. Ed. Okay? At pareho silang guro. Saludo sa kanila yung tatay ko,
Ayos.
former president sa USEP, sa Davao. Yung kuya ko naman, number 2 sa buong mundo.
Yun.
Love you, kuya.
Yun oh.
At ikaw
Hindi ko na sasabihin.
At ikaw
Okay.
si Otosan.
Otosan. Ako yung Otosan nila. Okay? Ngayon ako yung Oji-san.
Ojisan. Yeah.
Balik tayo sa Koji-san na
Koji.
pampaputi.
Anong next na bike mo
Bike ni
after
Koji
dito?
So,
Auto.
1984.
Yun.
Torker.
Torker.
Yung frame ang binili ko, upgrade ako.
Ah.
Bumibili ako sa Dau.
Dalawang top shoe.
Yo!
Sa BX.
Bamba. Mahilig ka?
Correct.
Yo, I grew up living near Clark. They would go every weekend to my place in the boondocks. They would ride their dirt bikes and they would
PX
throw us
goods.
military rations.
Right.
I was a skinny as Nutriband kid. Right. Tapos manghang-mangha ka na. Sa Afro-American people, I love my
nuts
chocolate
eh.
people. Stationed over at the Clark. Right? So, I grew up listening to Tomcats, F1s, Iron Eagles, and scared as hell that the World War III will happen in our backyard.
Hindi, ito Kuya Nels. Question.
Malapit kayo sa Crow Valley, no? Yung parang practice range nila.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Pero I once heard the sonic boom sa bubong ko.
Oo.
Yeah.
Parang ang bumagsak na buko.
Ito question Kuya Nels.
Yo.
Parang we've noticed na you've been places. You were born here, you've there, and then now,
Yeah.
how was the story?
Born in Mindanao. Grew up in Luzon, Los Baños, Magalang, Pampanga by the bundok, where I learned to skate. Los Baños where I learned to bike, and Davao where I learned to fall in love.
Yun.
By the way.
Pero paano yun? Yung dahil sa parents,
Kasi
job.
mga guro po ang aking mga magulang. So kung saan sila mag-aral, madestino, doon po kami. Aral kasi kami nag-aral eh. Can't get enough of that. Ako Noli. Noli mitang ire. Di ibig sabihin, do not study.
Oo nga,
Hindi,
no?
importante kids, finish school, importante mag-aral po kayo, supportahan namin kayo dito. Pero, importante rin mag-startup kayo, simulan nyo yung negosyo.
Tama. Supportahan kayo ng
Yo, that's why
hi-fi.
Yan ang pag-uusapan natin
Supportahan ta ka. Unsa pa man sa imo ha, kanina.
Pansin mo yun,
Kanina, nagpalit akong batalya ba? Nagpuyo na ko ani sa Davao. Shoutout sa mga Davao people.
Pero yung torker bike kanina, pansin niyo yung structure na yan, dahil sa sobrang tibay nitong frame na to, dito tsaka sa GT ginaya yung mga lahat ng sidecar batalya mo.
Actually.
Yan,
Let's talk about
Nakakabit eh.
Let's talk about folk innovation at the Pinoy level, di ba?
Hanggang dito, ito kinopia
Nandyan
ko.
sa Singalong yung pagawaan.
Correct.
Hindi nila tinanggal tong part
Hindi
na
nila
to.
tinanggal yan.
Yung kasi dito nila
Shout
kinakabit
out
yung
to you,
sidecar.
Gary Turner.
Kasi
GT
dyan
since
iniipit yung
1973.
Hanggang ngayon, yung mga gawang Pinoy, parang naging jeepney. Kumbaga, yung wheelies, ginawa nating jeepney.
Yan ang
Ito,
pag-usapan
ginawa nating
natin.
sidecar.
Mang Abe,
Ginawang
punta na kayo
pedicab.
dito. Okay? You're gonna be the new Testaman. No apologies to the other guy. Okay. So, this was my BMX exploration in going to the
Shimak seats pa rin, no?
stainless.
Eto na.
So, bumili ako ng flat bar. Kasi yung mga...
Inuuso nung araw, diretso, tapos nakagano.
So, I met the newsboys, mga jarista ng Agdao, Davao City. Okay?
Shout out.
The hotbed of DDS, doon talaga sa Agdao mismo. Tropa ko yon, shoutout sa iyo, Darius, Skyway Peeps, Dennis, buhay pa tong mga to. Hindi na tokhang. Buti na lang, tol. Okay. So I was there. I spent elementary in Los Baños, grade 1, grade 2 sa Pampanga. So biyasa ko muri magkapampangan nung I speak 5. Okay? Apart English Tagalog, I'm Ilocano,
Polyglot
Bisaya,
eh.
Kapampangan.
Ah,
So I met these newsboys, mga jarista. They taught me real life, okay? So medyo ito yung speed era ko.
Masanting.
Kasi ano sila karera yun sa kanila, matataas ng upuan.
may
Aero
deadline
yan.
sila eh.
Yan ang aeroframe. Hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo yan. Yan ang pinaka-smooth welding na nakita ko.
Yung akiso ko, ganyan din.
Ngayon din.
It was at this moment I decided to become a graphic designer because I love the logos and the branding. That's actually my first hat. Okay? Advertising Fine Arts sa UST kasi pinakick out ako ng tatay ko sa Davao kasi naliligaw lang ako. Shoutout sa iyo sa ginost ko. It's all for the good. It's all for the good. Kuan, ayaw kanunay na.
Maraming
Hindi, ganito
nauungkat
kasi
dito
yan I was 15 years old. That's why I'm still stuck in my 15. It's a story, right? So I had this bike. Ayan.
Ito na yung GT.
Yan. Yan ang aking freestyle.
Combination
Tira.
nito tsaka torker, no?
But my frame was stainless, but I basically had the same colorway, okay? And I thought I was gonna be a bike shop owner for the rest of my life. Which brings us back here.
Oo nga.
Kabisado ko lahat ng SKU, alam ko yung code ng mga stores sa Oyango rin, yung mga Chinese shops, kilala ko lahat. Yung Odyssey, okay? So, 150 pesos, 150 yan. Yung mga tinidor.
Nung
yung,
araw.
yung wings, okay? Ayan, yun.
So BMX boy ka talaga, no?
Skyway Davao represent, okay?
Skyway.
Ang Skyway, yan ang team ng mga street, okay?
Tapos
yung mga cool kids katulad nyo, nakaharo at dino, okay? Yung mga pinapadala ng mga pinsan. So merong magkambal na magagaling doon sa dino. Shout out to you, John and Paul, kayo mga idol ko.
Tapos
Yung Haro Crew sa Obrero.
Skyway, tapos 5-spoke mag wheels.
Oo, Skyway. Salamat kay Pinoy.
Ito, ibang Skyway ito.
So my parents were so worried that I get talk hanged because I was just biking and going to this girl. In this
Puso na
place,
yung Tokhang noon? 15 years old ka?
that was the birthplace of DDS.
Sabagay.
Davao dedicated cyclista. So I was a DDS. Card carrying, right. So ito yung totoo dyan eh. Kaya balik cycling ako. Kasi yun yung time na I fell in love with cycling and it brings you places.
Ito, after nito, ano naging bike mo?
Well, anyway, so nagkaroon ako ng uniform ng Skyway. Hindi ka mukha ngayon, pwede kang bumili ng Shopee jersey. Dati, you have to earn your stripes. Specifically your chevrons.
Oo nga.
Right? Sa freestyle, sakto lang ako eh. Sa flatland, okay lang. Hindi ko kaya mag-cherry picker. I was too skinny. I could do the decade.
Pero flatland
Boomerang.
ang panahon natin, flatland BMXing talaga
Flatland,
naman,
manubela
ano?
sa upuan. Magsiseta pa rin ako ngayon at magkakaalaman tayo. Invite natin si Boss Mike Lorenzana of 80s Bikers. Shout out to you, boss.
Yun.
Dahil sa'yo, nag-bike ka uli ako.
80s BMX.
80s BMX, si Boss Mike. Kasama ko yun sa share
Sila
the
Kuya
road.
Jodic.
So ginawa kong play bike to. Ito yung last bike ko bago ako pinatapon sa Manila kasi, to save me from, from DDS. So from too much cycling. Right. So I was sent here at 16 years old. It was around the second week of May. Bakasyon ka sa Manila. Yun, so you have 2 weeks to find the school to enroll. That's why I crash landed into UST. Go, UST!
Oo, nako.
Stay rin tayo.
So takot na takot ako. Bagong salta sa Manila, sabi ng ate ko, hoy, hindi to probinsya tulad ng Davao, ah. Huwag ka magbibisikleta dito, mamamatay ka. Kung nakita nyo lang mga pinaggagawa ko, panoorin nyo sa channel ni Jules. Okay.
Napanood ko yung iba.
More about, we're just having fun here. But just a Gempoy with finesse. Nothing wrong with
Gempoy with finesse.
Jesus loved Gempoys, right? You just have to do it with finesse. Yun.
Huwag lang yung mga Gempoy na sadya nagpapakasagasa. Ha? Dahil gumigit na.
Sakit yun sa ulo. Dapat, yung mapapawaw sila sa skills mo. So, nasa Manila ako. Bawal daw magbisikleta. So, I stopped for 30 years.
30 years.
30 years, I stopped.
May Mon period ka. Nagkaganyan si Mon life happened eh.
Hindi,
Life happens,
kami ni Mon, cars happen.
Lahat tayo.
Cars happen.
So, nga, UST nga ako kasi, so I took up fine arts. But fine arts didn't take me up. Kasi hindi ako handa eh. Wala akong lapis, practical drawing exam yun. Excuses. Ang dala ko lang Parker ballpen, umuubo-ubo ako. So, hindi ako pumasa. Yeah, so the year was 1990 and it was around the third week of May. So, nag-exam ako sa Manila, pumasa naman ako, pero hindi sa first course. Ang first course ko ay hulaan nyo, 3 letra lang.
HRM.
Pareho tayo.
HRM.
Komsay, ikaw, HRM, shrimp.
Hindi,
Shrimp?
Marketing.
O simp? Marketing, okay.
CDP.
CDP.
CDD.
Marketing. So yeah, that was my next hat. Nag-shift ako from pagkatapos kong bulutungin and I failed not psy class. At nag-repeat ako ng Pilipino. Kasi nagalit sa akin si Mrs. Dakepo. Lumipat ako ng building sa Fine Arts from Eduk to Engineering. Kung nasaan yung CAFA. College of Architecture and Fine Arts. If you know, you know. Right? CAFA. Shoutout sa iyo, Romnick Sarmienta, si Hero Bautista.
Nandun lahat.
Si Beth Tamayo. Pati yung Nanette Medved ng CAFA, shoutout sa iyo sa mga crush namin noon. Okay.
Ano yan, bro? Certified wild boy.
Yun.
Wild Boys!
Nagmukha akong amateur eh.
Kayo Duran-Duran, ako Dorian-Dorian.
Hindi. Gurang.
Gurami, no?
Kaya ang gurang-gurang.
Skid, yeah. So, tanong ko lang sa inyo, nung 1990, anong ginagawa nyo?
High school.
High school, ah.
High school.
O, di nagkaalaman
Nagkilala
na.
kami nito.
Nagkaalaman na. Ako yung gitnang henerasyon.
Barkada kami.
Ako yung gitna nyo.
Ay, oo tayo. Technical trail.
Technical
1990s. Oo. Technical trail kami noon.
Apologies, I'm sorry. 90s, I missed the whole mountain biking thing. Nag-mountain bike lang ako once. Mula sa bahay namin sa Prisco, papuntang malapit sa monumento, sa tapat ng Landers, tsaka Talayan Village. Hindi ram tinakas ko pala yung mountain bike ng bayaw ko. So, yun din. So, yun yung aking cycling experience nung college. Nung medyo healthy pa ako. And then fine arts happened. Yeah! I do my hair. I became an artist. Yun na yung band era ko. Okay? Kaya may gitara po tayo dito. That's my sister-in-law's guitar. Binigay niya sa akin. Set it up
Sinama mo
here.
na rito, ah.
10 taon yan. I bring all of me to work. Andyan yung memorial ko kasi one day mamamatay ako. Lahat ng mga gamit dito nasa pangalan ko eh. Kaya nasistress ako. Tulungan nyo naman ako. No? Take some of this from off my name. Okay? So I finished fine arts, God willing, 1995. Inabutan namin yung Fra Angelico. Kami nagbinyag doon. Balik tayo sa bike.
Oh, teka, silent question.
Ilan
Jonathan.
ang current bisikleta mo?
And why?
And why?
Itong beauty,
Andito,
ano yun, ah?
Andito. Andito.
And why?
Oh, balik muna tayo sa current year. Okay? I learned how to skate in the hills of Mount Arayat,
Pampanga.
Pampanga. Okay?
Doon kayo?
Tapos, sa Davao, bumili ako nitong China board. Okay? Sobrang bagal niya, pero feeling ko nasa Star Walk Hollywood ako pag nagsa-skateboard ako sa San Pedro Avenue, Davao City. Shout out, walang kawad ng kuryente doon. Okay. Ito yung longboarding journey ko. So, gusto ko sa bamboo. So, we started this 3 years ago. Medyo nakapause lang kasi parang wala pa.
Ituloy natin yan.
Yan ang aking kickboard. Okay? Yan, yung Jet, 26-incher. So, ginagamit ko yan pang-commute from here to Alabang. And then, nagamit ko na rin from Alabang to Calamba.
Putang ina.
30 kilometers. Wow. 26 inches, 65 mm soft wheels. Okay? At 40 years old.
Tayo nagre-reklamo
How
sa
many
small
you?
wheels eh.
Sino mga trentahin dito?
Wala na.
Pakakainin ko kayo ng skateboard ko. Okay? So this was me, yung penny board journey. I was a penny boy 2014. Shout out to my sister-in-law Kring Kring for wanting to buy a board and then I inherited it.
Old MOA pa yan, oh.
Shout
Ayan, oh.
out to Jomer, rest in peace, pinsan ng wife ko yan. So, wala na siya. Ayo, eto na yan. Yung longboard ng friend ko sa left. Yun yung lechon board ni Rex Lore, rest in peace also. My colleague here at Binild Hi-Fi, Brother Dennis ang nagbigay niyan, the former president.
Oo.
So, the former president of Binild skates, that's why I'm here. I got recruited to join his skate team. Okay ba yun? What got me kicked out of Science High School, skateboarding and cycling, got me my job here. My longest gig for 10 years. I have 30 jobs in 30 years. I have over 30 hats experience, right?
Yun nga yung mga
So
most
that
experience sa
brings me
tao,
here.
eh, di ba?
Yan yung board ko bago mag-pandemic, yung green board, it's an Arbor.
Pogi.
Okay? On sale yan sa Easy Skate. Nung time na yun, shout out sa inyo. Salamat ba binili mo? Nasa Malacanang ako nung binili niya yan kasi si Duterte, inawardan niya yung kuya kong sikat habang ako nagpapasaway sa kalye. So this is my Arbor board. Ito naman, skate ko naman to from Calamba to Santa Cruz, Laguna, like 7.5 hours. Ano 30? 40 nga. 40 nga ako. Nag-skate ako ng 45. Ano pa rin nireklamo nyo?
Calamba to Santa Cruz.
Walang bike lane. Anong Santa Cruz skateboards? Santa Cruz longboards ako. Naglo-longboard ako. Pawanggan doon. Smooth naman. Medyo ahon lang sa Calamba.
Oo.
Pero after Bae, it's all
Wala
smooth.
na, oo.
I realize there are a lot of homeless people in Laguna. Take care of them, LGUs. I'm also a mental health advocate. That's why I skate for work and life balance. So, eto na. Ito, nag-aaral ako. Yan yung board ko naman. Yung board ko na yan yung ini-skate ko sa Davao on my 42nd birthday. And then I met Attorney Janjan. Shout out to you, Attorney Janjan, colleague of my, schoolmate of my wife sa St. Mary's College. God bless you, SMC. I always crush their the school openings para...
Terno ng motor yung cruiser mo ah.
Hindi sa akin yan. So, yung aking Tinklawan era. Okay. Yan muna tayo. Yung road rider, merong sticker ni Digong yan sa ilalim. Binenta ko na yan sa friend ko si James. Shout out to you. I was skateboarding 42 kilometers in December 2015. Then someone told me, hey, our president is a longboarder. You should apply. We have a new unit, and that new unit is now this office. Okay? So
kumukonect yung mga istorya.
skateboarding got
no?
kicked me out. I got kicked out of science high school. I failed algebra, I failed geometry, but I use that every day using Adobe as an Adobe expert. Okay? My creative hat. Okay.
Talagang hindi lang pang yung structural studies. Talagang real life.
This is my tough life. Okay? So yan, mga schools, we wanna keep it safe. Ayusin po natin yan, ha? Ayan na, Skate for Lorraine. So ayan, yung pruweba, nag-skate kami. Kasi namatay si Lorraine nung April 2, 2017. What was a simple event for me, in-open up ko to because hindi naman every week, maybe once a month, I skate from Taft to Alabang. 1.5 hours, 2.5 hours. To skate in Pacific Rim. So nag-inopen ko lang yung event page. 400 people, thousands of people liked it. 400 people skated with me. We skated for 6 hours. 8-year-olds, small wheels, big wheels. Yan. So ako rin gumawa ng shirt na yan. We raised 10,000 pesos for the family of Lorraine. Yung nanay niya magbubuko ng Tagig. To unite the skate and longboarding downhill communities. Kasi kinick out ako na eh. Shout out sa inyo. Kung sino nag-kick out sa akin, God bless you. Sinistart ko yung movement. I kick-started it. Hindi lang naman ako yan. Shout out kay Malakay. Nagbenta kami ng mga shirts para sa fallen skater. Okay, pandemic hits. Pause. Then the pandemic happened. So I'm a pandemic cyclist. Am I a pandemic cyclist since 1979?
Hindi.
Okay.
Na lang.
Life happened. Life happened.
Life happened.
Tapos nag-renewal of vows ka nung pandemic.
Kayo na lang mag-ano yan, kung anong bike yan.
Merida.
Shout out to you, my Polish friend. So got me into cycling. Mental health. Yung background pala na yan is not an American flag, right? That's the Ronald McDonald House. I was working for McDonald's as the first in-house community content manager in 2012, 2013 for Leo Burnett. Became an agency guy and then got tired doing that, so I did startup. Then worked in a school. So there's the professional thing happened. Then the cycling thing happened. And then it was too big for me. It was a medium. Okay, so I got this for 20K dyan sa Cycling World, Buendia. So eto pinalit ko. Gusto kong maging dirt jump guy. Kasi nung pinost ko, nagwa 180 na ako nun. Kaya ako na-promote sa Skyway. Nagda-jumps na ako nun. That's why I got my stripes. I got my tats. Because I was the only one doing that. Okay? Hindi pa ako nag-tabletop. Sobrang payat ko eh. Pero nag-number 2 ako nung unang gun start, false gun start. We built the pump track. I-inaugurate kasi yung tatay ko nagpatayo siya ng eagle sa school na still there. That's an iconic symbol of Region 11. My dad's vision. So, we had an event sa University of Southeastern Philippines. So, merong BMX race.
Sana to? Buhay pa to?
Wala, nabinenta ko na yan agad kasi toxic yung community. Let's leave it at that. Okay? My budget was 50K. Pero puro sagmit lang yung naano ko. Tapos nakita ko, binubuli yung mga nakasagmit. Hindi na lang. Benta ko na lang itong Dartmoor. Okay? But I still wanna, hey, I do BMX jumps on my cyclocross and my gravel bike. So ano pinagkaiba nun? Kaya naman natin gawin yung ginagawa ng mga to. Okay? And not to, just having fun. So binenta ko agad to. It only took me a month, okay? So nagsawa na yung wife ko. Kakapanood ng mga vlogs, endless, sino na naghanap sa carousel? Shout out to my wife. So that's my wife's bike. Okay?
Yan ba yung nasa baba?
Yung nasa left, yung nasa baba. Shout out to architect Jojo Gutierrez from the Tiklop guys. Okay? From the UP Bike Share. That bike is from UP Bike Share. The Bike Share startup pioneered by UP Mountaineers. Si boss, si Chief Fortuno and si Architect Jojo. Yan yung tough love bike. That's the soul of this place.
Yun.
That's why I want to go back there because someone gave me a black bike
Buhayin
in
na
2016.
yan.
That's a 10-year-old bike sa akin. Nung pandemic, iniwan ko yan para gamitin ng mga guards.
Nagamit naman nila.
Oo, maraming nabuhay dyan. Doon pa kami sa SDA dati.
Bike sharing, no?
The 4x5 room became a 4-story building. So, that's the new building. Okay, and that's my wife's bike. A little Bianchi colorway, right?
Celeste.
Celeste. So, pinarepaint ko yan sa Republic Paint. Powder coated. Yung wife ko nag-curate ng color. Red bike yan dati. It used to be called Ruth the Red, but now she's a Mrs. Boaz. Kasi yung bike ko Boaz eh. Which means strong. Right? You know, the Bible character Boaz. Ito na yung binili ng wife ko. Yan. Yung first
yan na yun
iteration to the left, the Kona Jake the Snake CX.
Puto Jake the Snake nga pala yan.
Jake the Snake, not because of the wrestler, but because of the owner, one of the co-founders, si Jacob. Dutch guy. Kona Bikes. Ganda.
Kona, no? Hawaiian brand.
Cantilever.
Back check na tayo. Bike check. Okay. So, 105 yung kanyang
Group set.
group set, naka-FSA, whatever details you wanna have. So, pinamigay ko na yung hubs na yan, Novatec, kay Faustino, mayabang, the realest, ang pinakamagaling, pinakamaangas na tropa ko. Skater at bike. At hustler, pinakamasarap na samosa dealer sa poblasyon.
Yun.
Okay. So, ayan. So, Jules got me in his vlog. I forced him. I paid membership, 65 pesos a month sa YouTube. Shout out to Jules, okay? So, tapat ng tambay cycling to bago nagsarado. I'm wearing my wife's shorts here. This was shot in November. I'm wearing my Juju beads right now. Those are my Juju beads, okay? That's my one-piece hat because I was feeling Luffy. Tapos my checkered Vans na gusto ko nang putulin. And I also had the reverse socks. This is a burger, that's on the beach. Galing akong Boracay niyan eh. Boracay vibes. So I shot my surf skating in Boracay. Yun, so sinut lang niya ako dyan. Ito naman yung nawala akong bike. Ito na yung susunod.
Shit.
Nag-ipon ako ng pera, nag-gig ako for Olympic Village. Shout out to Mr. Herbacio. Thank you for taking me in. Sir Adi for giving me the client. So I do consulting work for branding, marketing, design thinking. That was BGC. It was my 3-month-old bike. 3 months lang siya, ninakaw siya eh. From bike demo to November. Okay. So ninakaw siya kasi sa MOA, gamit ko lang yung blade lock. Huwag kayong gagamit ng blade lock. Pag matagalan, kailangan nyo deluxe. Shout out to Tryon. Meron akong bumiling 2 Palmy. Not sponsored, but highly recommend. Lightweight, fun, right? You make sabit-sabit sa gilid like the NYC guys. Yan, so yan yung Kona Rove. Kasi Kona boy ako eh. Sobrang compliant niya to a fault. I think I dodged a bullet there. Sobrang nagta-turn siya. Twisty. Was supposed to be for my bike touring. You know, pass less pedal. I want to be like Russ. Shout out, Sketchy Ride, Tambay, happening soon.
He's
This
going
was
to
my
come here.
gravel is coming to Manila.
Yes.
Right, Russ. And his beautiful wife. Welcome to the Philippines, right? So that's my 3-month-old heartache. And then I got stolen.
So anong next bike mo after manakaw to? Anong pinalit mo?
Ito muna, sinet up ko muna, touring si Kona. Yeah, his and hers, kami ng wife ko, the only time we rode a bike and shot a video. Eto na.
Yan na.
Tuto eh.
Eto na yung nasa baba.
This is my Chinelli Tuto. I call her Dina. Bakit? Dina na Tuto. It's called Bonnie kasi Bonnie V. Okay? Ayun lang. Shout out to my friend Pepe Rice Daily. Shout out. Rudy Project. Love your content, bro. Nakita ko lang naka-post online. Ang may-ari nito, yung may-ari ng Sandugo. Shout out to you, sir. Pinick up ko to sa Kalye Industria, posted for 50K. Okay? Shout out to my brother. Now it can be revealed. Thank you, Kuya Ed. Sabi niya, huwag ko daw sabihin. Diba? Sasabihin ko na ngayon, wanna honor you, love you, bro. He gave
Sobrang
me
rare niya
the budget for this bike. After 6 months, hindi ako bumili agad. I had to process it. Life coach. I had to process the pain of losing a wife
Sikona.
like a child. You know, so
Grief
like
yan.
part of you is grief. Talking about grief here, right? And let me debrief. It was not brief, but I had to process my grief. Yan yung setup niya. So, naka-Brooks. Yung naka-post, naka-straight bar siya eh.
Oo nga.
Pagpunta ko, sabi ko, uy, okay na yan. I'll take the drops any day. I'm a dropsy guy. So, Kalye Industria, kinuha ko to. Ride ko na, diretso. Medyo, hindi ako sanay sa to overlap, pero I learned how to adjust. Ayan na. Yan na yung bike ko ngayon. So, I have the long answer to the
journey.
question. Number 1, the Tough Love bike. Yung bike ng wife ko, na dinala ko na sa Mindanao, nag-bike ako mula Surigao hanggang Butuan.
Wow.
2024 December on a 3-speed 30 kg bike with a longboard sa likod and it busted my left knee. Don't do that, kids. Okay? Buti na lang pinayuhan ako ng president ng Father Saturnino Orios na ginagawa yung kalsada, so hindi ko na ginawa, hindi ko na tinuloy yung aking 400, 500k. I just enjoyed my
Ride lang.
Christmas ride. Ride lang. Leisure cycling lang. On a leisurely bike.
Leisure.
In the middle of a storm.
Ban t-shirt.
Okay. Yeah, I'm also a musician. Well, this is my music journey. That's my 1993 shot. Okay, yung long hair. Yan ang fine arts look ko. And then I met my wife.
Siya yung nahihiya.
Oo.
Parang
Linasing ko eh. So,
Yun nga eh, parang na,
gitara,
nakamandag
gitara ng bike ko yan. See, I'm still wearing, that's a Vans, you know, Hawaii shirt, by the way. I'm still wearing Hawaii. Because my wife's wearing Hawaiian. I feel that moment I met my wife, she was in a bar, she was playing.
Parang siya
It
nagsisisi.
brings me back. That's why I go back to the bars, okay? To play music with the bands, right? Music for me is the healing journey. Yun yung grief processing ko. Okay? Been anxious and depressive. I probably have ADHD. So if I don't get depressed this year, for the record, my wife will buy me a motorcycle. Hindi ako made-depress this year kasi I'm not running away from the destiny that God has given me. I'm embracing this. I love you, Benilde Hi-Fi. It's a love-hate relationship with Benilde and Taft.
Tsaka andito naman yung mga brothers.
Ayan na.
Tulungan ka niya.
Oo.
Thank you for the cycling fellowship. Okay, so get help. Help is available. But I'm tapering. Maybe after Japan or before Japan. We're going to Japan March. We're going to Japan. Shout out Blue Lug.
Siyempre, wag mo rin kakalimutan yung mga wild boys dyan sa Blue Lug.
Shout out! Shout out sa friend mong
Si Kuya Jules.
Kuya Jules.
Kuya Jules Kalagi.
Okay, Sapporo Hokkaido eh. A healing journey. Bumili ako ng gitara sa Japan 2019 kasi sabi ng doctor ko, si Doc Lorna from Benilde, retired na siya. I love you, Doc Lorna, miss you. Go back to music. So I play music in church today sa Sunday. Buti na lang wala akong togs ngayon. So I started playing music again to serve. Not to perform, but to be reformed in the shape of a cross.
Yo.
Yun.
These are my guitars. Okay? 1996 as a Fender anniversary edition. Because I was feeling Oasis in 1996. Okay? I was working in Brunei as a designer.
Kaya pala gusto mo mag-banda Britpop, ano?
Britpop, yeah. Shout out to my friend Miko and Johnny Gizales to the Britpop movement. That's my other band. Then my second guitar na binili ko sa buy and sell. So anyway, my guitar, I got this for 10K buy and sell. I sold it off kasi ano ba nangyari nun? May sumabog sa Davao. So it got started 911 Davao. This guitar, I sold it off. Wally, okay? Kasi hindi naman talaga ako gitarista, feeling ko eh. So nag-back to electric guitar ako yan. Binudol ako ng friend kong si Nicky. Yung J-Craft. Alam mo natutunan ko, hindi yan sa'yo. Stewards lang tayo.
Oo. Custodian. Oo.
Gusto mong bumukas, gusto mong maraming ilagay, ipamigay mo. Daluyan ka lang. Yun. Morrison. Actually, si Morrison, isang craftsman ng Gibson. Okay?
Oh.
This is an MD 507.
So parang artisan, ano siya, guitar?
You know, it's made, yung sunburst niya, ano yan, Gibson Firebird. Okay. Pero yung headstock niya, Martin. Okay, this was in 2019, my first time in Japan. So I bought this for my therapy and to serve the church. Ito na siya.
Ganda.
It's Japan, but it's actually made in Korea. Mahogany back, spruce sides and top.
So now, to close the show, message na lang to the cyclists.
Message to the cyclists.
Yan, lahat ng cyclists natin. Mga bata, matanda.
Never too old. Never too old to bike. Never too old.
Yeah, may ipin na wala.
So,
Boy, bakla, tomboy. Lahat.
LGBT tayo dito. Let God be truth.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sinusuportahan natin lang yan. Message ko, ayan, yan ang Noli 360, okay? Noli 360, okay? Medyo kamukha lang yan ng Uniqlo, pero
Noli, no?
Noli wa, because my name is Japanese, so I love the, Kakoi-san, okay. So yan, nagko-content po ako from, my skateboarding days, so yan, mapakita ko yung mabilisan lang, Uy! Muntikan na, okay. Before it was longboarding, right? Now it's cycling and music. That's what balances me off. So, ayun, kailangan balance sa buhay. Yo, jam na tayo dito.
Okay.
So ayan, mag-vlog lang kayo, gawa kayo ng content. Eto, sa church, yan ang togs ko. Tumutugtog ako sa Victory Ortigas. Okay, ang message ko lang, you can have fun playing faith-based music. Okay? Shout out Victory Worship. I think pinaka-importante, you need to believe in something. That's it.
Yan.
Okay. With that, thank you very much for watching.
We're closing another episode.
Yes. Thank you,
Bisikleta.
kay Kuya Knowles, Wild Boy.
Salamat dito mga wild boys. Mag-freestyle na tayo.
At yun lang.
Yo.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Later.
Next time, makinig naman kayo sa Wali Kontento.